Hey guys, it's Josh with Budget Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to shut off the maintenance required light on most Toyota vehicles. And this light comes on based on mileage elapsed, so it's not actually connected to a problem that's going on with your car, not to be confused with your check engine light. It's really to remind you to do oil changes. And so if you want to turn this light off, a lot of people think you need a scan tool or something like that, but really all you need is your finger and your key. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure your odometer is on the total mileage setting, not one of the trips. Once you've established that, turn the car off all the way, the key out. What you're going to do is hold down the odometer reset button. While you're holding it down, you turn the key to the accessory position, so everything turns on. And you should almost immediately see down in where your odometer should be, 4 or 5 lines start counting down. Once they've counted down all the way, your maintenance light should disappear, and then you can release the button and start the car and go on your way. On some models, you actually have to use the trip A or B setting of the odometer, not the total mileage. So if this doesn't work the first time, try using A or B and repeat the exact same steps. So there you go. Hope this helped you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.